is well. Welcome to the Chloe Picks Lottery family. If it's your first time here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting this channel. I'm excited to share with you my vintage 1993 Red Devil Lottery book. And guys, I do have a playlist that tells you exactly how I got hold of this book. So don't forget to check that out. Now I'm going to share with you the month of April's numbers. Now we're in the facts and predictions section, and the number at the top there is 527 and 630. That's an active number during the second and third week of the month. Moving on to the next set of numbers, 439 and 743. And it's highly rated on Wednesday around the 14th, 21st, or the 28th of the month. Then we have 397 and 497. This should be watched during the early parts of the month, possibly straight around the 8th. Now here are some numbers on the side. We have 348, 750, 978, 646, there's a double, 298 and 206, 312, 635 and 976, 218, 720, 899. Then we have 162, 148 and 272, 965, 895 and 497. Lottery specials 926, 742 and 827. Then we have some 4 digits, 1763, 4806, 3999. Have you subscribed yet? If not, don't forget to do so before you leave this video. And also like and share. As always, good luck and thank you for watching.